How to make a payment. First, click the profile button, then click Account. Once you are in your account, click My Profile and scroll down. Here you can see payments and preferences. If you have any charges, they will appear here. In the charges box, to see a breakdown, click Details. To make a payment, click Pay Now. On this screen, you will see your charges under the Current Fines tab. You can unselect any that you don't want to pay now. I'm just going to pay for this one. When ready, click PayPal. To pay your charges to our library's PayPal, click down here to pay as a guest or log in if you already have a PayPal account. I'm going to pay as a guest. On this screen, you can enter your details. Select below if you want to create a PayPal account or continue as a guest. Don't forget to accept the terms and conditions. Once you are finished, click Pay Now.